everybody. In today's video, this is not going to be polish related at all, but I just want to talk about, I did a thing and I want to share it with you guys, and I want to talk about some other stuff that I've been like very obsessed with recently. So the thing that I did is I got myself a new bag. So I want to do a little unboxing with you guys of my new bag. I've been craving like a nice bag for a little bit. And I had really been looking at the Fendi, and I wanted the like Fendi, what do they call it? The Fendiography or something like that. It's like a kind of like a croissant shaped bag. I'll put a picture of the one I was eyeing. So I had kind of been leaning towards that. I was also dabbling in some online Prada shopping. But then Louis Vuitton sent me like the early access for their I believe they call it a pre-fall collection. And I saw something there that I like had to have. Like as soon as I saw it, it just said me to me. Like it was like, this is a Josephine bag. And so I decided to grab it. So I already took the ribbons off, and I'm just gonna open this up with you guys. It's so beautiful and I'm so excited. So you get your little receipt in here, and this cute little like receipt holder, and then it comes with this little like Louis Vuitton thing so that you can scan it and show that it's authentic. And then your bag always comes with a little Louis Vuitton dust bag. You guys, oh my gosh, I can't wait for you to see this. Oh my goodness. Look at this bag. It has this really beautiful like luggage tag. I am obsessed with this bright colored printed canvas. I also love this little like, you can kind of carry it like this. It's sort of like a smaller version of a Speedy, or like a not so tall Speedy bag. I don't have a Speedy. I was debating getting a used Speedy 30 someone was selling on Facebook Marketplace a while back. And it just seems kind of large, like suitcasey to me. So I talked myself out of it. But this one I feels like a little shorter, and it's not giving like luggage to me. So it's kind of giving Speedy vibes, but it's not a Speedy. I don't have any kind of bag in this style at all besides this one in any of my bag collection, you guys, and I really love it. So this is the Keep All Bandolier, oh my gosh, you know me and my French pronunciations, Bandolier 25, I believe. And then this is in the Monogram Glow canvas. And so this is from the men's collection, you guys. And oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So it has some little like hooks here, and it also comes with a longer strap so you can wear it crossbody. All of the hardware on this bag is silver, which I love because I'm more of a silver girl than a gold girl. And then inside is the extra strap. And it also has like a little like shoulder situation that you put on. So let me put this together for you guys so you can see it. You just slide everything through here. I'm obsessed with these colors, you guys. I think it might be a little hard to style just because it's like so bold and bright. I'm trying to figure out like what type of colors you're going to want to put with it is going to be interesting for me, but I really am just loving the look of this bag. And so here's the strap. I have it on the lowest belt loop here. It's not a belt loop, but you know what I mean. And then you just hook the little strap things to the rings. And then the lining of this bag, you guys, is gorgeous. It's just like the opposite. It has one little pocket here, and then it's just open. It holds a lot because some of my other bags are a little bit smaller, or they're like a little bit awkward to put things in. This one I feel is gonna hold quite a bit because you can really fit a lot of stuff in here. So gorgeous. And then it has this little tag here. It just has the same thing. It has a little like QR code so that you can verify it's authentic. So you guys, isn't it gorgeous? I'm obsessed with it. Obsessed. It's literally an obsession. I feel like this is so beautiful. And I feel like it's eye-catching and it's different compared to a lot of the other bags that I have from Louis Vuitton and also my Gucci. So the other thing I am obsessed with, you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you've seen with these little Labubus. I'm so obsessed with the Labubu. So these are from PopSmart. They're from it's like a TV series or like a cartoon called The Monsters, but you can buy these cute little monsters and put them on your bag. And so let me just show you what is all the rage here to have these on your purse. Look at how cute he is. I need this one Machado for Manny Machado from the San Diego Padres, because as you guys know, I'm a Padres fan. Although Manny Machado has been stinking it up lately, and so are the Padres. I saw this thing that said, I always said I would never stress over someone's son. I would never stress over anybody's son, but here I am stressing over a whole team of them, and it's like off a baseball field, and I'm like, that has been me lately. So that's one of my little Labubus. Then I have this little Labubu here. And this is from the Take a Seat Labubu collection. It's a pink one. It has some little heart eyes. And then I got it this little Adidas outfit. And then I have this little purple one. Also from the Take a Seat collection. And he has a little Gucci outfit. This one is Kike. This one does not have a name yet. This one still needs a name. But this one has a little Gucci fit, and he has Gucci shoes, and he has a Gucci backpack. Very fashionable, this guy is. So I went with like a designer outfit because I'm like, okay, my Labubus need to be fancy. But then I went with like a little bit of like a casual outfit in case we're just like chilling and they're not hanging off like a fancy bag. Like they need something a little chill. So this is the chill outfit with his little Adidas outfit. And then I have a few more Labubus coming in the mail. And then I also got this. So one of my besties is big into this fad as well. And she ordered one of these little thingies. And so she was hoping to get a Chip and Dale from Disney. And she ended up getting the Daisy Duck. And since I love pink, I was like, I'll keep the Daisy Duck. And then it has this cute little like ribbon that says Daisy Duck. It has a little bow. So this, and it has little duck feet. So these are all the rage on the bags, you guys. And then this just came in today. So this, all of these Labubus and this little Daisy Duck are all from PopMart. These are all PopMart. The clothes you have to buy somewhere else. So I bought these clothes. They came from China. These outfits came from China, but you can get outfits from Etsy. I might try and crochet some outfits too, because I've seen that. Like I've seen little crochet bikinis and stuff for them. And then this little guy is also from PopSmart, and they have like different collections. So this is the macaroon. This is one of the macaroon ones. And then these little ones that are sitting down are from the Take a Seat collection. And then there's another collection that me and my friend are trying to get, which is the something energy. I don't remember. Then this is also from PopSmart. PopMart, not PopSmart, PopMart. But this one, you guys, it's a Winnie the Pooh. Isn't it cute? It's like a Winnie the Pooh that's supposed to be a squirrel. And this is from a brand called Minso. I think I need more of these because they're so cute. And it's Winnie the Pooh dressed up like as a bunch of different things. So you could get Winnie the Pooh as a bunny, Winnie the Pooh as Roo, Winnie the Pooh as Piglet. and a few other things. And then I have another Winnie the Pooh coming in like in little overalls, and when I get that I will show it to you guys. But oh my gosh, these are so fun, you guys. I'm obsessed with like putting them on my bags and seeing which one looks like the cutest and trying to like coordinate my Labubus to my bags and my little charms. So I told you guys charms were in. I have a few like smaller charms, but now I'm very much into these big fluffy charms. Do I look like a legit crazy person walking around like this? Yes, I probably do. But I did get a compliment on my Labubu the other day from a girl. And she actually, when I was talking to her, she was like, oh my gosh, I love your Labubu. And I was like, oh my gosh, thank you. And then she had this backpack and it was like clear in the front, and hers was full of Super Mario Brothers stuff. So it's a thing. It's like, these are a thing right now. So I have one more Winnie the Pooh on the way, and I'm probably going to order another one of these because you can't pick what you get. It's like a blind box, like a mystery till you open it. I got this off of the black market for Labubus, and I ended up getting this off of Mercari because these are always sold out. So I got this off Mercari. My friend, like I said, she got this off of Pop Mart. And then my friend gave me this one. I'm not sure where she got it from. And then Justin ordered me this one. So these are all my little guys. And I've been having a lot of fun. So I'm waiting on one more outfit too. I ordered a Padres Tatis Jr. jersey. And it comes with a little Padres bucket hat. And I think that this guy is going to be sporting that outfit. Machado is going to be supporting Tatis Jr., his teammate, when that comes in. But that's not coming into July because I think she like hand makes them and she's very busy. But yes. So, trying to figure out which to wear on what bag is something that I plan in advance. Like the other day I went to work, and so I had this little guy on a little black and white bag, and he looked super, super cute. And I think for now, I think this is going to be the pairing with my new Louis, because I think they just go together very nicely. And that's it. It's very exciting, you guys. I am just... Are you guys on the Labubu train? Have you gotten to the Labubu craziness? Are you guys fans of Labubu? Let me know. Or are you doing any of these like plushy purse charms? They're just cute, you guys. They make me happy. I know a lot of people think they're childish or it's crazy or it's whatever, but it's just fun to me. It makes me happy. And oh goodness, this makes me so happy too. So I went round and round about ordering this bag. Just because it's pricey, and you know I have other, you know, I just did some work on my house and things like that. But when I saw it, I was just like, ooh. And then I'm like, I mentioned it in a lot of videos, you guys. Being sick has been very hard on me mentally in the last year. I'm pretty much going on a year of feeling not the best. And probably close to, I don't know, 7 months of feeling pretty rough for the most part. And it's hard. Like I feel like I see all these people living their best lives, and they're probably not, because there's no such thing as a best life. Everybody's lives are hard in different ways. But I saw these people going on trips and enjoying all these things. And like I feel that with my health, like it's really hard for me to do that because I don't know how I'm going to feel from one day to the next. Sometimes I don't even know how I feel from like 1 hour to the next. And so I would love to be traveling, and I would love to be doing, like, I want to go watch a baseball game this year. I haven't seen a baseball game since like 2019, like MLB games. No, I'm lying. I've been wanting to watch a baseball game. I haven't seen a baseball game since last year, but I didn't get to see my team. Usually I get to see the Padres play. And I haven't been able to do that since like 2019. And so I've been really wanting to like try and either road trip to see them in Denver or try and road trip to see them in Arizona. And there's just like these things I want to do, and I really have a lot of like anxiety around my health. And then like my health is bad, but I feel like I make it worse with the anxiety about my health. It's like a vicious circle. I think if you guys are sick like I am, like you would understand what I'm explaining. I've gone on trips, I spent days stuck in a hotel room of a trip, and then I'm just like, I feel guilty and I feel bad. It's like I wasted money, I wasted time off of work, I'm just laying in a hotel room, I could be doing this at home. Other people that are with me probably want to be out and about, and they're here in a hotel room with me. And so I don't know, there's just like a lot of things I would like to be doing that I feel like right now is just not the perfect time, or like the time. And so I was thinking, like, this is something that I can do and enjoy. Like, I have this bag, it's beautiful, I can wear it, I can enjoy it. Looking at it makes me happy. You know, finding a little bag charm to do it makes me happy. Trying to coordinate my outfit with it makes me happy. And so that was sort of like my justification for like a treat yourself moment. And so I don't know, I just feel like I'm really like in this area of like, treat yourself, you only live once, you work hard, blah 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 blah. And then on the other side, I'm kind of like, this is expensive, like you need to you know, like, I don't know, you need to think about other things, I guess. And it's like this balance I'm still trying to figure out, especially since my divorce, because like my ex-husband was very much like a frugal guy. And I am more of like a spender. And so I felt like he kept me, I don't want to say in check, but like, I really thought about things that I was purchasing and buying because of him. And now that I don't have that, and I don't answer to anybody in that way, or like have to compromise with anybody in that way, it's like trying to like find this balance of like flying off the handle, buying everything I want to buy, and like, you know, just a balance. And so I think I'm getting there, and I feel like I'm getting better about it. But like, this is like a limited edition bag. It's like, you know, it's not going to be around forever. I feel like these colors and brightness like scream Joe. And so overall, I'm just really, really happy with this purchase. So let me know if y'all are in the Labubu game or any type of purse charm game. Let me know if you like this bag. What are your thoughts? And that is it for this video, you guys. If you liked it, please make sure to click the like button down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Thanks you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye!